Hello students, example 1.13. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 and F is equal to 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6 be a function from A to B. Show that F is 1 to 1 but not onto function. So before go to the problem, kindly recall the types of function. So in our previous introduction videos about this exercise 1.4 have clearly explained all the types of functions. So if you have any doubts in types of function, kindly go through the videos, right, and come back to this problem. Okay. So now we have to show this function is one-to-one function but not onto function. It is very simple. First of all, draw the arrow diagram using this data. So what is A? 1, 2, 3. So write all the elements 1, 2, 3. What is B? 4, 5, 6, 7. Write all the elements 4, 5, 6, 7. And which elements are connected here? 1 and 4. So connect 1 and 4, 2 and 5, 2 and 5, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Right? Okay. Now this is the arrow diagram. So using this arrow diagram, we have to show this function is one-to-one but not onto. First of all, we have to find whether it is a function or not. For that, we have two conditions, right? What are those conditions? All the elements in the domain must have an image. Yes, 1 have an image, 2 have an image, 3 have an image. Second condition is all the elements in the domain have only one image. Yes, 1 have only one image, 2 have only one image, 3 have only one image. Therefore, it is a function, right? It is already given in the question anyway. We have to show this function is one-to-one but not onto. So what is the condition for one-to-one function? One-to-one function means all the elements in the domain must have different image, must have unique image in B. Let's check the images. What is the image of 1? 4. Image of 2? 5. Image of 3 is 6. 4, 5 and 6 are the images. All the images are different. There is no common image, right? 4 is different, 5 is different, 6 is also different. Therefore, it is a one-to-one function, right? But not onto function. What is the definition for onto function? Onto function is nothing but all the elements in the codomain, that is B, must have pre-image in A. If you check, 4 have pre-image, that is 1. 5 have pre-image 2. 6 have pre-image 3. But what about 7? 7 doesn't have any pre-image in A, which means this is not an onto function. That's all. So this problem is all about statement. So we have to write the statement clearly. Then F is a function from A to B, and for different elements in A there are different elements in B. Hence F is one-to-one function, right? Note that the element 7 in the codomain does not have any pre-image in domain. Hence F is not onto function. Therefore we show that F is one-to-one but not an onto function, right? That's all about this problem. Thank you.